Hello, my dear face builders, Zhenya Baglak here, and today we're gonna speak about additional beauty tool, tape for the face. Because in GB Face School we always for the complex approach. So if you combine together facial exercises, relaxation techniques, different massages for the face, and of course face taping, you're gonna have double or even triple effect. For my personal purpose, I like to use tapes very much because they working while I doing my own things. The most I prefer application for the forehead because I have bad mimic habit to rise up my eyebrows, especially when I'm explaining something, when I'm in emotions. Second, it's for nasolabial area because this area has tendency to accumulate spasm, especially if you have genetic purposes to it. And the third, my favorite one, is for the muscles which pulling down mouth corners, because sometimes I also sin with this bad mimic habit. So let's today make the tape application, especially for the mouth corners area. Remember that you always need to cut only like this, not horizontal. So I already prepared what I need. It should be two lines like this, 1 centimeter width each. And you need to measure from the mouth corner to the jawline. So you put all tape like this and you measure where you need to cut. And you can also make rounds where you have corners. So how you need to apply this? You need to take out, rip the paper on one side. Now you need to stick this around your mouth corner like this. Then you need to take out all paper, and very important not to pull down tape. Very easy. Like this. And let's try from the second side. Also, you rip out the paper, you put here, you fix it well, and now you need to take out all paper which remains. Don't pull. Perfect. Now I can work for a few hours, and I will be sure that my mouth corners area are relaxed. I will not squeeze this muscle because I immediately gonna feel the tension here, and also while I'm doing my stuff, tape gonna work for the deep relaxation of these muscles. If you have the same problem or tendency to have a puppet wrinkles, try the same application. And if you want to learn more application for the face, the one which will help you to smooth out mimic wrinkles, which will give you lifting effect, which will help you to release puffiness around your eyes or from this area, you can always book our face taping practicum and learn all these very useful instruments. Thank you for watching, thank you for your likes, and I will very appreciate if you're gonna share this video with your friends who are also interested in natural beauty. Thank you so much.